Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. First, I would like to apologize for my laundry going in the background, so if you do hear any weird gargling or water noises, that is my laundry in the background, so just ignore that if you can. So last week I went to Chicago for a mini vacation, mainly to do some shopping. I love shopping in Chicago, and I picked up quite a few things, and a lot of them are luxury, so this whole week is probably going to be a week of luxury unboxings. So today's video is going to be my first purchase from Saint Laurent. So this is a really big bag, but if you are into luxury unboxings, or if you are into purses or shopping or anything like that, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel. I make videos about this kind of stuff. I also make makeup videos, and I also make videos about Disney. So if you like any of those things, you should definitely subscribe down below. I would love for you guys all to join my YouTube family here. We are really close to 1,000, and I really would like to get there soon. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I've been looking into different bags that I've been kind of trying to keep on my radar, and this is a bag that's not super popular. It's not something I hear a ton of people talk about, but I've noticed it on Fashion File because I do a lot of shopping on Fashion File, so I've been definitely keeping my eye out there. And then I was in Chicago and they had a Saint Laurent store, and I walked in and they had the exact one that I wanted. So this is a huge bag, comes with a cloth strap. This is my purchase that I made on my last day there. It's a giant, giant bag, and I've been really wanting to use it, but I was like, no, I have to wait to unbox it for you guys. So it comes with this Saint Laurent, like, really heavy duty, almost like duct tape. And inside the bag is, of course, a Saint Laurent box, where she did a perfect bow. She was the sweetest SA I've ever dealt with. She was very informative. And then she gave me her card, of course. Her name was Laurent. And the receipt in the little Saint Laurent receipt case. I really like their packaging. It's all black bow and just the white Saint Laurent inside the square. It's very, very pretty. So I'm very excited to show you guys what's inside here. It's not the most expensive bag I've ever purchased, but it is definitely a bag that I think a lot of people would like, and I think should be on more people's radar. So I'm just going to open the box, taking off the ribbon. So the box is just a very basic box where you just kind of pull off the lid, take off the box there, and then inside you have the tissue paper with the Saint Laurent sticker. And she boxes really beautifully. So then all of this accordion paper around here to protect the bag. The bag does come in a black dust bag. And inside this dust bag, if you guys can guess below what bag this is based on the size, you should definitely comment down below. I'm curious to see who can guess this. So this is the bag. So this is the Saint Laurent, I believe it's called the Toy Lulu bag. And it is the pink color, the light pink color with the silver hardware. And this comes in a ton of shades, and it also comes in velvet, if you like velvet. I was thinking it was between this one and the black velvet for me, and the black velvet does wear, just like any velvet bag would wear. This is going to wear better than that, so she recommended that if you don't care, or if you care more about how your bag looks over time, if it wears well, then definitely go for the leather. So that is why I chose the leather. And I also, of course, would want the pink over the black. So it just has a button snap closure, opens. And then inside is the crossbody strap, which you can wear this as a strap crossbody bag, or you can also wear it as a clutch. So the crossbody strap is the exact same color leather as the bag itself, and it is adjustable, which is always very, very nice to have an adjustable strap for people of different height, and especially with this. So this in size is very similar to the same size as my Chanel bag that I showed you guys in my couple videos ago, my last unboxing video, and this retails for, I believe it's $11 $11.90, which is a really good price for a bag. This is the smallest of the Lulu bag. It does come in a medium, I think a small, a medium, and a large. But I really like this toy size. It's just perfect for me. As you guys know, I do not carry very large bags, so I've really been into smaller bags that I can definitely use for, you know, days out, more casual wear, or make it more dressy. So this really fit a lot of those categories for me. Side note, I want to apologize as well because if I'm talking weird, I have a severe amount of canker in my mouth right now from a lot of stress, so I am trying to talk without it hurting, but I know that it probably either comes off like I'm talking weird or you see my mouth moving weird, so I'm sorry in advance. I'm hoping that it'll get better soon, because let me tell you, it's not pleasant. It's very painful. Anyway, back to the bag. So it opens with a snap, and then inside got some tissue paper, but you have a couple of compartments. So you have this back part right here with the zip, and inside the zip is the authenticity card and the care card, which is really nice. It is just a black cloth interior, nothing super fancy. Feels pretty sturdy. Then in the center you do have a little pocket. You could put probably a couple of cards, a lipstick. I have the X phone, and it fits in perfectly. I don't know if a phone bigger than the X would fit in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So there's that. And if you guys ever want me to do a video where I show you like what fits in the bag, let me know. I will definitely do that. But so it opens, has that little middle pocket again, and then it has the front pocket. And I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, but there are some card slots in there. And it comes with one larger pocket and then 3 card slots. Yeah. So again, it's really like a very nice structural bag. She did say that this is a bag that when you store you would want to keep stuffed so it retains its shape. It has the flat bottom, which is really nice, and it's just a really nice smooth leather. I believe she said that this is a lambskin leather, but don't quote me on that because I don't want it to be wrong, but yeah. So this bag did retail for $11.90, and with the Chicago tax, which is extremely high, it did come out around $1,300, I believe. But I think that this bag is so beautiful. I can't wait to start using it. I've been waiting to film this unboxing for you before I pulled it out and start using it, but this is going to be my everyday bag. I cannot wait. I don't know if I mentioned, but like right on the inside there's the little Saint Laurent Paris. It's just such a beautiful bag, and I think that this is going to be my summer favorite bag to wear, and I think it's just absolutely stunning. But yeah, so this is the YSL Toy Lulu bag yet again, and I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for a new kind of everyday bag that you can dress up or dress down. It comes with black with gold hardware, black with silver hardware, black with black hardware, and then the leather version. And then it comes in the nude, the pink, the black, I believe a red, and I'm not sure if there's any other colors, but those are the colors it currently comes in. So so stunning, and I cannot wait to use it. So that was this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the bag or my experience at Saint Laurent or what fits in the bag, just leave a comment down below, request a video that you want to see or request information that you want to see, and of course I will get back to you guys. I love talking to all of you so much, so I always enjoy doing that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will talk to you all very soon, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye guys.